Nice.
Good morning. I'm on a mission to see all the birds of Berlin in 2026, and today I'm in Adlershof at this Johannisthal park, and it's freezing. My hands are so cold. I'm looking at this pile of dirt, but on top of that pile of dirt is a northern Wheatear. Northern Wheatears love standing on piles of stuff. It makes them feel superior. Also, if you're really into tree sparrows, then this is the place. There are a lot of them and you can get super close to them. So cute.
Crested Lark. Crested Lark. Nice.
Follow for more birds in Berlin.